Today we are going to cook stir-fried tofu with vegetable and mushroom, and it's going to be a very simple dish. It'll be colorful and it will taste nice. Now what we need is hardened tofu. Slice it in tiny little square so it's easier to cook. Fresh shiitake mushroom, and if you don't have shiitake mushroom, you can use other mushroom, it's just fine. Make sure the mushroom doesn't discolor your cooking. Corn spear, half a can of corn spear, slice in half, down the middle, the water that comes with the corn spear. 1 capsicum, 1 spring onion, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with about 100 ml of water. And you mix it. Put on a high heat, let the wok heat up. Our hardened tofu. And lightly cook the tofu first in the oil so it'll be nice and crusty. As you can see, the side of the tofu is sizzling, which means it's nice, it's cooking. We do that so the tofu doesn't break up during our cooking process. You can see the tofu, one side is nice and brown. When the tofu nice and brown, like to put in other ingredient. Our 1 tablespoon of garlic is nice and seasoned. Next is our shiitake mushroom. Now, as you can see, it's quite dry at the moment. You don't want to burn the garlic and everything, so what we do is put in our capsicum. Our capsicum by itself has moistures in there. Do is put in our corn. The corn itself has, remember I said, it has the water that comes with the corn. That's where a lot of flavors in there. Remember, we still keep our heat high. Half a cup of water. Let it cook a bit so the shiitake mushroom can soak up all the flavor and will get cooked by itself. You can see the sauce is starting to boil up. Soy sauce, about 1 tablespoon. Half a teaspoon of sugar. Now, spring onion. Now 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil. Thickener, which is our starch water. Done. It's in. Our dish is cooked. Now our sauce is nice and sticky to our vegetables and not runny. And the flavors are all in there.